Hey guys, welcome to RealFoodieFit. My name's Crystal and today I'm going to show you how to make easy, no-bake oatmeal energy balls. That's right, we're making balls. Balls.
Balls.
These are great to keep in your fridge. I eat one almost every single morning with my morning cup of coffee. And it holds me over until breakfast. For this recipe, you'll need a large mixing bowl, a 1-cup measuring cup, a 1 teaspoon measuring spoon, rolled oats, almond butter, honey, raisins, cinnamon, vanilla extract, and chia seeds. In a large mixing bowl, add 2 cups rolled oats, a 1/2 cup almond butter or nut butter of choice, bonus points if you score it on clearance, a 1/2 cup honey. Now I'm using raw honey, which is thicker. If you're using a more liquidy form of honey, you'll just need to let the mixture sit in the fridge for about 30 minutes to thicken. Add the almond butter and honey to the bowl. Lick the spoon. Add a 1/2 cup raisins, a teaspoon cinnamon, a teaspoon vanilla, and a generous amount of chia seeds. Now I usually stir the ingredients with a fork first and then mix it thoroughly with my hands so it doesn't stick to my fingers as much, but for some reason I just went ahead and stuck my hands right in the bowl. So maybe use a fork first. Here's what it should look like when it's all mixed up. If you're using a more liquidy honey, this is when you'll want to pop it in the fridge for 30. And then you just form the balls. Easy. So good. If you like this video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos just like it. Until next time, thanks for watching and keeping it real.